Looking to disable DVR and turn off the game bar in Windows 11? I'll guide you through the steps. Stay tuned for a quick and efficient way to optimize your gaming experience. Click the Search Tools taskbar button shown in the screenshot directly below. Enter regedit to find the registry editor. Open this key path within Registry Editor. H-key, current, user-owned software. One Microsoften, Windows U current versiona. Game DVR. Double-click the app capture enabled DOORD to open its Edit DOORD window. Delete 1 in the value data box and enter 0 to replace it. Then click OK to exit the Edit DOORD window. Open this key path. H-key current user-owned systemo game config store. Double-click the Game DVR _ enabled DOORD in the snapshot directly below. Thereafter, click the Power and Restart Start menu buttons. Open the Start menu by pressing the Windows taskbar icon. Click Settings within the Start menu's Pinned App section. Select the Gaming tab. Click the Xbox Game Bar navigation option. Then click the toggle button off for the Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller option. Next, select the Apps tab. Select the App and Features option shown directly below. Click the 3-dot button for the Xbox Game Bar app. Select Advanced Options on the menu. Next, choose the Never option on the Background Apps Permissions menu. Press the Terminate button. Right-click Start and select the Windows Terminal admin option that's on the Win plus X menu. Input this command within the Windows PowerShell tab. Get AppX package Microsoft.Xbox Gaming Overlay. Vertical bar, remove AppX package. Press the return key to remove the game bar. Wait for the uninstall process to finish before closing Windows Terminal. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.